I need to defecate. I need to defecate. मलाई दिशा गर्नु पर्यो. I need to defecate. मलाई दिशा गर्नु पर्यो. I need to defecate. Who lives in that house? त्यो घरमा को बस्छ? Who lives in that house? Who lives in that house? त्यो घरमा को बस्छ? होइन, त्यस्तो नसोच कृपया. No, please don't think that. No, please don't think that. होइन, त्यस्तो नसोच कृपया. Is everything all right? के सबै कुरा ठिक छ? Is everything all right? Is everything all right? के सबै कुरा ठिक छ? I'm just a little tired. म अलि थाकेको छु. I'm just a little tired. म अलिकति थाकेको छु. I'm just a little tired. म अलिकति मात्र थाकेको छु. प्रतियोगिता कहिले छ? When is the competition? When is the competition? प्रतियोगिता कहिले छ? Are you just playing with me? के तिमी मसँग ठट्टा गरिरहेको छौ? Are you just playing with me? Are you just playing with me? के तिमी मसँग ठट्टा गर्दैछौ? Are you just playing with me? How can I do it? यो म कसरी गर्न सक्छु? How can I do it? How can I do it? म यो कसरी गर्न सक्छु? You know what to do it. हजुरलाई थाहा छ कसरी गर्ने. You know what to do it. You know what to do it. हजुरलाई थाहा छ यो कसरी गर्ने. You can handle this. हजुरले यो सम्हाल्न सक्नुहुन्छ. You can handle this. You can handle this. हजुरले यसलाई सम्हाल्न सक्नुहुन्छ. Were you gambling yesterday? के तिमी हिजो जुवा खेल्दै थियौ? Were you gambling yesterday? के तिमी हिजो जुवा खेल्दै थियौ? Were you gambling yesterday? You should never gamble. हजुरले कहिले जुवा खेल्नु हुँदैन. You should never gamble. You should never gamble. हजुरले जुवा कहिले खेल्नु हुँदैन. Are you addicted to gambling? Are you addicted to gambling? के हजुरलाई जुवा खेल्ने लत लागेको छ? Are you addicted to gambling? के हजुरलाई जुवा खेल्ने लत लागेको छ? You must give up on your addiction. You must give up on your addiction. हजुरले आफ्नो लत त्याग्नु पर्छ अथवा हजुरले आफ्नो लत छोड्नु पर्छ. You must give up on your addiction. मलाई टोयलेट जानु पर्यो. I need to go to the toilet. I need to go to the toilet. मलाई टोयलेट जानु पर्यो. I need to go to the toilet. अति आवश्यक छ. It's urgent. It's urgent. अति आवश्यक छ. It's urgent. आफत परेको छ. It's an emergency. It's an emergency. आफत परेको छ. It's an emergency. के म शौचालय प्रयोग गर्न सक्छु? Can I use the bathroom please? Can I use the bathroom please? के म शौचालय प्रयोग गर्न सक्छु? Can I use the bathroom please? You must practice every day. You must practice every day. हजुरले सधैँ अभ्यास गर्नुपर्छ. You must practice every day. हजुरले सधैँ अभ्यास गर्नै पर्छ. Is there an easy way to practice English? के अंग्रेजी अभ्यास गर्ने सजिलो तरिका छ? Is there an easy way to practice English? के अंग्रेजी अभ्यास गर्ने सजिलो तरिका छ? English is not too hard. अंग्रेजी त्यति गाह्रो छैन. English is not too hard. अंग्रेजी त्यति गाह्रो छैन. उसँग धेरै पैसा छ. He has a lot of money. He has a lot of money. उसँग धेरै पैसा छ. He has a lot of money. Spend money wisely. बुद्धिमानीपूर्वक पैसा खर्च गर. Spend money wisely. Spend money wisely. बुद्धिमानीपूर्वक पैसा खर्च गर. You spend too much money. You spend too much money. हजुरले धेरै पैसा खर्च गर्नुहुन्छ. You spend too much money. Please send me some money. कृपया मलाई केही पैसा पठाइदिनुहोस्. Please send me some money. कृपया मलाई केही पैसा उधारो दिनुहोस् न. Please lend me some money. Please lend me some money. कृपया मलाई केही पैसा उधारो दिनुहोस् न. Please lend me some money. Please lend me some money for few days. Please lend me some money for few days. कृपया मलाई केही दिनको लागि अलिकति पैसा उधारो दिनु न. Money doesn't grow on tree. पैसा रुखमा फल्दैन. Money doesn't grow on tree. Money doesn't grow on tree. पैसा रुखमा फल्दैन. Money doesn't grow on tree. You have work to earn money. तिमीले पैसा कमाउन काम गर्नुपर्छ. You have work to earn money. You have work to earn money. तिमीले पैसा कमाउन काम गर्नुपर्छ. He makes a lot of money. उसले धेरै पैसा कमाउँछ. He makes a lot of money. He makes a lot of money. उसले धेरै पैसा कमाउँछ. He makes a fortune. उसले धेरै पैसा कमाउँछ. He makes a fortune. He makes a fortune. उसले धेरै पैसा कमाउँछ. He has no money. उसँग पैसा छैन. He has no money. उसँग पैसा छैन. He has no money. He will make a lot of money later. उसले पछि धेरै पैसा कमाउनेछ. He will make a lot of money later. उसले पछि धेरै पैसा कमाउनेछ. He will make a lot of money in the future. उसले भविष्यमा धेरै पैसा कमाउनेछ. He will make a lot of money in the future. उसले भविष्यमा धेरै पैसा कमाउनेछ. He went abroad to earn money. ऊ पैसा कमाउन विदेश गयो. He went abroad to earn money. He went abroad to earn money. ऊ पैसा कमाउन विदेश गयो. I have come here to earn money. म यहाँ पैसा कमाउन आएको हुँ. I have come here to earn money. म यहाँ पैसा कमाउन आएको हुँ. I have come here to earn money. पैसाको लागि झगडा नगर. Don't fight for money. Don't fight for money. पैसाको लागि झगडा नगर. Don't fight for money. पैसाको सही सदुपयोग गर. Use money wisely. Use money wisely. पैसाको सही सदुपयोग गर. पैसाको सही सदुपयोग गर. Use money wisely. Set some money aside for his education. उसको पढाइको लागि केही पैसा छुट्याउनुहोस्. Set some money aside for his education. Set some money aside for his education. उसको पढाइको लागि केही पैसा छुट्याउनुहोस्. यो एउटा कुर्सी हो. This is a chair. This is a chair. यो एउटा कुर्सी हो. तिमी के गर्न सक्छौ? What can you do? What can you do? तिमी के गर्न सक्छौ? तिमीले मलाई धोका दियौ. You betrayed me. You betrayed me. तिमीले मलाई धोका दियौ. मलाई विश्वास छैन. I don't believe. I don't believe. मलाई विश्वास छैन. राम कहिल्यै खेल्दैन. राम never plays. राम never plays. राम कहिल्यै खेल्दैन. यो उनीहरूलाई देऊ. Give it to them. Give it to them. यो उनीहरूलाई देऊ. तिमीलाई ईर्ष्या हुँदैछ. You are jealous. You are jealous. तिमीलाई ईर्ष्या हुँदैछ.